Hi, welcome to EasyMS Tech. I am John. Today in this part we will discuss how to display color code from database in PyChart in RDLC report. We will prepare a RDLC report. We will place a PyChart there, and when we display, the color of the pie chart will be changed based on the database hexadecimal color code. I mean, there are a table by office expenses in the database. Based on the expense and savings, there are four category: employee salary, office maintenance, tax savings, and these four category has different color code. You can change the color code and those will be reflected in the pie chart. I mean, this color code will be changed based on the change of color code in the database. Let us design a page. I have already created the XSD and I have already created project and color code solution, and display color is the project name, and I have already prepared a XSD, get office expenses.xsd. Let us see the structure here. See category name, expense and color code. So if you don't know how to create a XSD, please visit my previous session. You will get clear on that. Let us design the RDLC file first. Office expense is the name of the report. We have to bind this report to the XSD, and probably you know how to bind the XSD to this report. If you don't know, please visit my previous session. Let us put a header on this. We are inserting a text box to write the header title. Let us make it bold, and size let us make 18 point. I think 16 point is okay. We have make it center aligned. Let us put a pie chart control here now. Insert, then chart, go to shape. I am taking this one, or I can take this one also. Okay, we have to bind this data set to this pie chart control. And how to do that? Go to the properties, first select the pie chart and go to properties. Here dataset name is a property. Set the dataset. Chart title, I am removing the chart title from here. Okay, category group should be, we can select from here, from the down arrow, category, and value is expense. We can move the legend anywhere. These are the positions we can place the legend. I can select this one also. I'm selecting this one. Okay, the bigger, the larger area the pie chart is covering them. Let us see. How to set the color? We have specified the category and the value, and we have to set the color also. How to set the color? I am showing you. Just right click on the chart area, go to series properties, go to fill. There is pick a color. We have to bind this property to the color code field of this dataset. Let us do this. Go to FX, go to the field office expenses. These are the fields. Remove it, write down equal, and double click on the color code. Okay, we have bind it. We have bind the field to the color property of the chart. Okay, the report is ready. We'll do some styling part after creating the report viewer page. Let us add a web form. pie chart viewer is the name of the page. I have already prepared the ASPX design code and the code behind code. Let us copy. We have to register the reporting.webforms namespace. I have already explained in the previous video. Control. The ID is rptbw asset. If we don't want to show print button, zoom control but report, we can set false here. It will not display. By default, print button displays and zoom control button does not display. Design page is done. Let us go to the code behind page. When the page will be first loaded, will view the report. Let us name the function set report data. I have already prepared the code of this function. Let us copy, paste it here. Namespace we have to include, otherwise the underline go away. The red line has gone away.
So this is the stored procedure name. We have already prepared the stored procedure. Get office expense, and this will fetch all the records from the office expenses table. On string is the connection string. Let us check, is it same? The name is con string. The name of the RDLC report is office expense.rdlc, office expense.rdlc. It is similar. And report data source name is office expenses. Let us check the dataset name. We have the office expenses. Yeah, these two should be similar. This report data source name and the name of the dataset here, office expense. These two should be similar. Otherwise, when we will preview, a error will be thrown. I think we are done. We can run the project. Let us do a build. Build is started. Build succeeded. Let us configure it in the local IS, so we can execute it faster. Select local IS, create virtual directory. The virtual directory was created successfully. Just need to copy this and paste in the browser, and putting the page name we can execute. Let us save it. Go to Google Chrome. Okay, it is displaying, it is processing. Okay, so the pie chart has been displayed. Employee salary is represented by this color. We can change this portion to specify the information more precisely. Let us do it. Go to the legend, right click on the legend properties, go to the category and right click on this category group properties and label. This is the field. You can change it by writing some expression. Field category dot value will show the value also here, so that user can get the information from here which category has how much value. We'll round the value to 2 decimal. Expense to 2 decimal point. We are rounding the value and we have to convert it to string because we are concatenating this part with a string. Okay, we're done. Let us apply it. Okay, save it, save the report and run the report again. We'll see the change here. It will be more distinguished. Employee salary is 30,000. Office maintenance is 10,000. And savings is 80,000 and tax is 5,000. There is 2 decimal point. And if we check in the database, employee salary, how much is the employee salary? 30,000. Office maintenance is 10,000. Office maintenance 10,000. Savings is 80,000. And tax is 5,000. So the value is reflecting from the database. The value in database is reflecting in the pie chart. We can do a bit styling on this pie chart. Let us do that quickly. Right click on the chart properties, go to fill. The style will be gradient, suppose. Suppose we are taking this one, will take lavender.
lavender brush I want to select. Lavender is there. I cannot see lavender brush. Let us take it white smoke, and this one, let us check if there is lavender brush. I cannot see this here. Okay, lavender blush is there. I'm taking this one, and border I am changing to emboss. It will be circular rectangle. Okay, yeah, this is the design. It looks a bit better. Let us save the changes and okay, so employee salary is represented by this color. Office maintenance is represented by the blue color. Savings is by yellow, and tax is by this color. Let us change a color code in the database and see the change reflected in the pie chart or not. The employee salary color is blue color will change. Which one is blue color? Office maintenance is blue color. Let us make it to red. We will need the hexadecimal code. This is the red color. Let us take the hexadecimal code from here and let us edit the color code. So office maintenance, we want to change the color of office maintenance from blue to this one. I am pasting this color here. Okay, let us execute it. It has been changed. Let us run the page again. Let us check. Red color has come displayed here, so it is working absolutely. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Get some real type scenario code. I think these things will help you in real life.
in the real life scenario you are facing challenges.
Please like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me so that I can share this type of video more. Thank you.